You are going to love the 2021 Forte. This vehicle is powered by a front-wheel drive, 4-cylinder, 2.0-liter engine, and comes with a continuously variable transmission. Great fuel efficiency saves you money by requiring fewer trips to the gas station. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: tire pressure monitor, aluminum wheels, brake assist, traction control, stability control, daytime running lights, tires, rear performance, 4-wheel disc brakes, FWD, remote trunk release. Inside you'll find backup camera, smart device integration, keyless entry, auxiliary audio input, steering wheel audio controls, security system, MP3 player, lane departure warning, cruise control, trip computer. Drive away with a great deal on this vehicle. Call or stop in today.